This video guide is about getting rid of the malicious pop-ups that are related to the site Telemobile.site. Telemobile.site is a junk website attacking Google, Chrome and possibly some other browsers. Telemobile.site claims that it is some way or another related to the well-known security application. But this is not true. Such pop-ups are not associated with any decent security software. Don't interact with these junk pop-ups. Don't install anything that they suggest. If any potentially unwanted software was mistakenly installed, check the control panel, check the list of programs and uninstall any suspicious items. Now, I also recommend that you thoroughly investigate your computer with Combo Cleaner antivirus. The best place to get its latest version is on the official website combocleaner.com. Download Combo Cleaner, install the program, and start thoroughly researching and investigating your computer in order to detect and eliminate other infections which could possibly still remain on your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.